And that's a long conversation that can have a lot of distractions. Things can, cause you guys to maybe even forget.
Bring up stuff from the past that wasn't even a part of this conversation.
Exactly.
It's the worst.
Exactly.
We're trying to address this one thing, and you bring someone up from 6 months ago, right?
Exactly. Or someone gets offended and they get defensive when you were just trying to be honest. So much can go wrong. So to me, when you write a letter, it really gives you both parties, it gives the writer a chance to get everything out and to assess proper tone and delivery with the message. It gives the receiver time to process and really take it in and listen to understand, not to rebuttal. Because in verbal conversation, it's very easy to listen to rebuttal. But in a letter writing format, you don't really have an opportunity to rebuttal right then and there. So you're more likely to actually take it in. So I think communication is definitely a big part of it.
Hey, it's Lewis here, and I would love to connect directly with you. Text me the word YouTube to my number 614-350-3960 to receive weekly inspirational messages from me.
I also think that if we're going through hard times, we need to at least identify one day out the week where we don't talk about any issues. All right, cool. We already know we're out of work right now. We know we're stressing. Worrying is not going to change that. Let's pick a day where we just enjoy each other. Let's just have fun. I don't care if it's watch Netflix all day together, laid up in the bed, whatever. Let's just enjoy each other. And we agree on this day, we leave all the drama and stress alone. We can return back to that tomorrow. That way, I feel like, when you're constantly discussing all the tough times, you're putting a wedge between each other. And you need something to bring you two back so that you don't drift too far apart.